you doing there? What are you doing? Wash your hands? Where's the soap? That water's coming out so fast. Aren't you worried there's not going to be enough water for the whales and the fishes in the ocean?
My whale.
You should turn the water down. It's too fast.
Because my water goes in here.
Well, you should still turn the water down. It's too fast. You're wasting water. Just turn down a little bit.
Hey.
That's your fault. Other way, other way. No, that's way too fast. Well, now it's turned off. Just turn it a little bit.
Like
Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's perfect. Well, now there's no water.
How about like this?
Okay.
It's just a baby.
A baby?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You can wash your hands like that. It might take forever.
Yeah.
Well, that's too fast. Are you done? You should be done by now. It only takes me 1 minute to wash my hands. Now you're using soap?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
You're not doing?
I like to burp.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I'm Appa. I'm Daddy. Daddy's burp.
I'm Iris.
Oh, nice to meet you, Iris.
Hey, what's your name?
My name's Appa.
What? That's Steven.
Oh, well, this is for the Big Sister channel.
What?
Yeah, because you're going to be a big sister.
Now I'm a baby. I can stay and go on the bed and brush my teeth.
Yeah, you're gonna be a big sister. What's your little sister's name?
June Bennett.
June Bennett. She's not even born yet, huh?
She's born.
Well, in June she'll be born, and that's why we're gonna name her June.
Bubbles.
Bubbles?
Pop.
Oh.
Pop.
Why are there bubbles on your hands?
Because I can wash my hands in that soap.
Oh.
I
Iris.
wash my hands.
How old are you, Iris?
5.
You're not 5.
6.
You're not 6. How old are you?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, P, Q, R, X, T, U, V. Okay, you that.
Okay.
You beat
But how old are you?
number.
How old are you?
4.
Good.
4.
But now, how are you going to get the soap off your hands?
Because I need to wash my hands.
Oh. Is your shirt wet?
Yeah.
Is that okay? Will Oma get angry?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Did you remember to flush the toilet?
Yeah?
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I need to clean that soap.
Yeah. Well, wait, what are you doing now? I think Oma will get angry if she sees you wasting water like that.
But I need to clean it.
Well, you can clean it with a little bit of water. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
But Mommy got spilled my hair, all the water, and mirroring in the glass.
Really?
Yeah?
Oh.
When it gets so if I find all my water because how did I get that?
I don't know.
And if I get lost?
Are you finished? Let's go watch TV. Or let's go play a game.
Game?
Yeah.
You said game and watch TV show?
Or we could go poo-poo in the potty again.
Because I already do it.
Oh, you already went poo-poo in the potty?
Look.
Wait, what are you doing there? What are you doing there?
I want to clean slip.
I think you're going to get all wet, and then Oma's going to get angry.
What? No.
She's going to say, you got to change your shirt.
Okay.
I think you're clean now.
Wow.
Yeah. What is that?
It's a waterfall.
It's a waterfall.
Look, see? It's a waterfall. I'm
Yeah.
making the waterfall stop.
Oh.
And the dolphin is really scary. Uh-oh, here comes the dolphin.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. The water is just disappearing. I think we should turn it off. Yeah.
Yay!
Yay. Alright, what are you doing? Alright, go ahead and turn it off, and then go turn off the light so we can save electricity too. Go turn off the light. Iris, go turn off the light in the bathroom so we can save electricity. And then say bye-bye to the Big Sister channel.